family together. Obviously, we are not having any fear if the family members are with us. If we are getting the support of our family, our siblings, definitely we are not getting afraid by any of the situation. कोई भी situation से हमें डर नहीं लगता. Then only the family members are with us. हमारे family साथ है तो हमें कोई चीज का डर नहीं है. This title tell us like that. So this story written by Gordon Cook and Alan East. We are having the story of Alan East. Alan East की story यहाँ पे दी गई है. And in this story, Alan East went out, set a sail. He started his sea journey with the family members. उसने अपने family के साथ एक journey start की है. Let us look at the story. मैं ऐसे बता दूँगी तो मजा नहीं आएगा. Line by line, I'll tell you all the things what happened with this Alan East family. So first of all, let me giving you the information about Gordon Cook and Alan East. Alan East जो कि writer है, even Gordon Cook. So here we are going to start the story of Alan East family. उसकी family की story है. How he has started voyage. Voyage means sea journey. In July 1976, my wife married son Jonathan. Which this we can say that the son of the author who was having 6 year age. Daughter Susan जो थी वो 7 years की थी. Isaac sailed from Plymouth, England. So they have started their journey from England, Plymouth, to duplicate the round the world voyage. Duplicate means he wanted to copy someone. जो एक person था, I'll tell you the name of that person. Voyage. Voyage means sea journey. Journey by sea. Okay. So voyage made 200 years earlier. जो 200 साल पहले किसी एक person ने journey की थी, and that person name is Captain James Cook. Captain James Cook had completed the sea journey over all the world, and same these Alan East wanted to do. ऐसी ही journey Alan East करना चाहते हैं जो 200 साल पहले हुई थी. For the longest time, Mary and I, a 37-year-old businessman, Mary, who was the Alan East wife. Mary जो थी वो Alan की wife थी. So they have 37-year-old businessman had dreamed of sailing in a wake of famous explorer. They had a dream. ये उनका एक सपना था sea journey करना. And for the past 16 years, we had spent all our leisure time honing our seafaring skill in British water. They are already practicing about it into the sea water. Already they have practiced. Here honing means developing. They have developed their skill. Honing. Honing means developing. Directly, I can say directly you cannot move out to do the sea journey. डायरेक्टली आप समंदर में नहीं जा सकते. मुझे ये समंदर पार करना है. Likewise, you are having, you must have some kind of skills. आपके पास स्किल होनी चाहिए. तैरना कैसे है, into the deep water, how to manage yourself, how to save to yourself from the storm से अपने आप को कैसे बचाए. All the skill you need whenever you are starting sea journey. So here our boat, उन्होंने एक boat hire की है, and that boat name is Wave Walker. उनकी बोट का नेम क्या था? वेव वॉकर. This is the name of wave. Do not forget this word, because in MCQ in warm up this word will ask. So the wave walker 23 meter. Here given the specific measurement that 23 meter long, 30 ton wooden hull duty. And means wooden hull means I can say that boat were made through the wooden. वो wooden से बनी हुई थी, wood से. That boat was made by wooden material, had been professionally built. जो काफी artist professionals से बनाई हुई थी. We had spent months fitting it out, and author had done so many hard work on it. उसके ऊपर काफी सारा hard work किया गया था, fitting and all the things, and testing it into the roughest weather we could find. And they also tested that boat into the roughest weather. Roughest weather में उन्होंने काफी टाइम वो लेकर गए उसको टेस्ट करने के लिए. Whether the boat or ship can survive into the water or not. कि समंदर में वो टिक सकती है या नहीं। द फर्स्ट लेग, हियर लेग मीन्स पार्ट, हियर लेग मीन्स पार्ट, ओके। सो द फर्स्ट लेग ऑफ आवर planned 3-year, here I can say that 105,000 kilometer journey passed pleasantly as we sailed down the west coast of Africa to Cape Town. As they have started their journey, so Africa to Cape Town, they have passed very nicely journey, silently. They have not got any kind of distortion over there. उन्हें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई इतना किलोमीटर काटने में। कितने किलोमीटर? 105,000 किलोमीटर, 105,000 किलोमीटर। एंड आई कैन से दैट इतना मतलब जो किलोमीटर जो यहाँ पे दिखाए गए हैं ये उनको काटने में एटलीस्ट 3 ईयर लग सकते थे। So their before heading is we took on 2 crewmen. They have also taken 2 crewmen with them, American Larry Vigil and second one is Swiss Hub Sailor. So to help us tackle means to deal with, ताकि वो लोग उन्हें help कर सके। To tackle means to deal with, to deal with. So tackle one of the world's roughest seas, cause whatever the journey they have decided the way on that way, the world's roughest seas are there. दुनिया के सबसे तूफानी जो हम बोल सकते हैं तूफानी समंदर वहाँ पे मौजूद थे, the Southern Indian Ocean, and the name is Southern Indian Ocean. Turn the page number 14. On our second day out of Cape Town, we began to encounter strong gales. For the next few weeks, they blew continuously. On our second day, means on their second day journey, they have set out from the Cape Town and they have started to meet with the strong gales. Here I can say that strong gales means wind. Strong winds, okay. So strong wind is for gales. For the next few weeks, it will continue like that. Next week तक वो ऐसे ही चलने वाला था, वो ऐसे ही चलता रहा था. And that's why they blew continuously. The strong winds blew continuously at that time till 1 week. And gales did not worry me, but author did not worry from the gales, means strong winds. But the size of the waves was alarming, up to 15 meters. And as high as our main mast. Main mast means on the boat. We can say that कि वो जो long poles होते हैं, that poles is called mast. वो poles को हम क्या कहेंगे? Mast. And December 25 found us 3,500 kilometers east of Cape Town. They finally completed the 3,500 kilometers towards Cape Town, and despite atrocious weather, as they have got atrocious means very bad. As finally December month came, the weather was not good at that time, and we had wonderful holiday complete with Christmas tree. They have enjoyed. They all had together. वो लोग एक साथ थे. They enjoyed Christmas very nicely together. New Year's Day show no improvement in the weather. On the new day also the weather was not good also. उस दिन पे भी weather अच्छा नहीं था. And but we reasoned that it had to change soon. But we believed that after some time or after some days it will change. उन्होंने ऐसा मान लिया था कि वो change होगा. And it did change for the worse. Change हुआ, but it was not good yet. Change तो हुआ, but वो इतना अच्छा नहीं था अभी. At dawn on January 2, dawn means morning. On the 2nd January morning, the waves were gigantic. Gigantic means I can say that almighty. Mighty means huge. I can say these huge waves. बड़े-बड़े लहरें उनको देखने को मिली उस दिन पे. We were sailing with only a small storm jeep and were still making 8 knots. They 8 knots. Knots here means it is just a unit. वो क्या है unit? 18 knots means 15 kilometer per hour. 15 kilometer per hour. So as the ship, the rose wave we could see endless enormous seas rolling towards earth. They can see that all the waves coming towards the ship. Boat के पास आ रही थी, काफी enormous means huge waves rolling towards us means towards the boat, and screaming of the wind and spray was painful to the ears. The sound of the waves and the sound of the water that looks very painful for the ear. काफी आवाज से हो रही थी as the huge waves were there, and to slow the boat down, वो boat को slow करने के लिए we dropped the storm jeep. वो जो storm jeep जो कपड़े लगाए जाते हैं यहाँ पे आपको पता होगा कुछ इस तरह उन्होंने निकाल दिए, and lest having mooring rope. Mooring, I can say that mooring means fastening a ship to keep it in a position. Fastening a ship to given position. एक ही पोजीशन में रखने के लिए I can say that. Okay. So fastening a ship to keep it in a given position, this is called mooring. So boat को slow करने के लिए they have finally here I can say that mooring rope into the loop across the stern. Loop means here noose. Loop here means noose, and noose means फंदा, मतलब जो रोप यूज करते हैं बोट पे बांधने के लिए. स्टर्न मींस बैक साइड पे उन्होंने रोप्स बांध दी थी. देन डबल लेस्ड एवरीथिंग, हर एक के ऊपर डबल लेस्ड मींस हर जगह पे दो बार उन्होंने क्या लेसेस बांध के रखी थी विद द रोप, ताकि उससे क्या होता है स्पीड कम होती है. Went to our life raft drill. Life raft आपको पता होगी, the boat in which we can राफ्टिंग, जो रिवर राफ्टिंग हम बोलते हैं उस टाइम पे जो बोट यूज की जाती है जिसमें आप हवा भर के उसको यूज कर सकते हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड राफ्ट. एंड अटैच्ड लाइफ लाइंस, डोंट ऑयल स्किन, उन्होंने लाइफ लाइन जो थी वो अटैच कर ली है. एंड डोंट ऑयल स्किन, डोंट मींस पुट ऑन, पहनना. डोंट मींस पुट ऑन मींस वियर. उन्होंने लाइफ जैकेट्स पहन लिए. ऑयल स्किन मींस डीप वाटर में जब आप स्विमिंग के लिए जाते हो एट दैट टाइम वियरिंग द क्लोथ दैट कैन सेव यू फ्रॉम द सॉल्टी वाटर. सॉल्टी वाटर जो है उसका असर आपकी बॉडी पे नहीं हो सकता. एंड लाइफ जैकेट्स एंड वेटेड, ये सब तैयारी हो चुकी है एज स्टॉर्म वाज नियर बाय, काफी नजदीक था स्टॉर्म. दे ऑल आर इन पोजीशन टू सेव देमसेल्व्स. द फर्स्ट इंडिकेशन ऑफ impending disaster came. Finally impending, that was about to come. जो storm आने वाला था, finally that storm came to the boat, and about 6 p.m. शाम के कुछ 6 बजे with an ominous silence. Ominous, everywhere the silence was there. Ominous means everywhere. The wind dropped. Finally the wind dropped and the sky immediately grew dark. अचानक से जो स्काई जो था वो डार्क कलर का दिखने लगा. ब्लैक स्काई वाज देयर एंड देन केम ग्रोइंग रोर. सडनली द साउंड ऑफ roaring of the waves and an enormous cloud towards aft means near the stern. Here I can say after, not with the, near the stern. And what is the meaning of stern? Stern means backside of the boat, that is called stern. So finally the green roar and an enormous cloud toward aft of the ship. With horror I realized that it was not a cloud, but that was looking like a cloud. That dark sky, there was no light, and the huge cloud is there, but that was actually not a cloud, but a wave like no other I had ever seen. That was a wave. Just imagine how long the waves, okay, moving into the sea. वो कैसे move कर रहे थे समंदर में, ऐसा लगा जैसे कोई cloud है, but that was not actually a cloud. I realized that it was not a cloud, but a wave like no other I had ever seen. उन्होंने कभी इससे पहले ऐसे कभी waves देखे नहीं थे. It appeared perfectly vertical. The waves was vertical means एक सीधी लाइन में perpendicular and vertical almost twice the height of other waves. दूसरी जो waves आज अभी तक उन्होंने जो देखी उससे भी डबल ट्रिपल उसकी हाइट थी. And with a frightful breaking crest. Crest, I can say the top part of wave. Crest. Top part of waves. This is called crest. सबसे ऊपर का जो पार्ट होता है वो waves ऐसे आती है. I can say जो सबसे ऊपर का जो पार्ट होता है this is called crest. Okay. So finally, frightful breaking crest means finally they are getting afraid from the waves. The roar increased to a thunder as a stern moved up the face of the wave. Finally, the roar increased. The voice of the water that will increase and stern moved up the face of the wave. And finally, for a moment, I thought we might ride over it. We might be hidden. उन्हें ऐसा लगा कि हम hide हो जाएंगे into the waves. And but then tremendous explosion. Explosion means burst. I can say explosion. Here I can see that explosion means burst. एक धमाकेदार एक झलक आया, strong jerk. I can say that. So explosion shook the deck. पूरी boat हिल गई. A torrent of green and white water broke over the ship. Ship के ऊपर पानी आ चुका था. My head smashed. उनका जो head था author का smashed with something कहीं पे टकराया into the wheel जो boat के आसपास wheel होते हैं वहाँ पे. And I was aware of flying overboard. Finally he was flying overboard means जो main part होता है ऊपर का ship का जहाँ पे आप चलते हो वहाँ से देख सकते हो समंदर. From that part he was out. वो boat से बाहर चले गए and he was flying like a bird. वो पानी में ऐसे तैर रहे थे, उड़ रहे थे जैसे कोई bird हो. And a torrent of green white water broke over the ship. My head smashed into the wheel. I was aware of flying overboard and sinking below the waves. The author now sinking below the waves. वो waves के अंदर डूबते जा रहे थे. And I accepted my approaching death. Finally he thought that now my death will come here. उनकी death नजदीक आ रही थी. I would definitely die this day. And as I was losing consciousness, I felt quite peaceful. He was like feeling like a dead. He was not having any kind of feeling now. अभी उनके पास कोई feeling नहीं थी. He was feeling like unconsciousness. जैसा हम कहते हैं बेहोश हो गए वैसा. So he was not feeling any kind of thing. I felt quite peaceful. And at that time, he felt so peaceful. He cannot even anything imagine. वो कुछ imagine नहीं कर पा रहे थे. He cannot even move भी नहीं कर पा रहे थे. So he was quite peaceful. वो काफी एकदम शांत पड़ गए थे क्योंकि waves इतनी strong थी कि वो अपने आप को बचा नहीं पाए. But what happened next? I'll tell you in the second part. Till then, you just refer this video part 1. Very soon I'll upload part 2. Thank you.